Can anyone explain Python's relative imports? I can't for the life of me get Python's relative imports to work. I have created a simple example of where it does not function. The directory structure is /start.py contains just import sub.relative. /sub/relative.py contains just from .import parent. All other files are blank. When executing the following on the command line, I get I am using Python 2.6. Why is this the case? How do I make this sandbox example work?
You are importing from package sub. Start.py is not itself in a package even if there is a _init_.py present. You would need to start your program from one directory over parent.py. With start.py, now pkg is the top level package and your relative import should work. If you want to stick with your current layout, you can just use import parent. Because you use start.py to launch your interpreter, the directory where start.py is located is in your Python path. Parent.py lives there as a separate module. You can also safely delete the top level _init_.py if you don't import anything into a script further up the directory tree.
If you are going to call relative.py directly, and i.e. if you really want to import from a top-level module, you have to explicitly add it to the sys.path list. Here is how it should work. If you think the above can cause some kind of inconsistency, you can use this instead. Sys.path0 refers to the path that the entry point was ran from.
Checking it out in Python 3. Example 1. If we run it like this just to make sure Python path is empty, output. If we change import in sub/relative.py, if we run it like this, output. Example 2. Run it like output. If we change import in sub/start.py, run it like output. Run it like output. Also, it's better to use import from root folder, i.e. run it like Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.